Clematis Dr. Ruppel was first introduced in Germany in the mid-1900s by the famous German clematis breeder Fritz Ruppel. It is a hybrid cultivar that is a result of crossing two other clematis species. Since its introduction, it has become a popular variety among gardeners due to its stunning, large pink flowers and its ability to grow in a wide range of climates. Clematis Dr. Ruppel is a deciduous climbing vine that can reach up to 8 to 10 feet in height and has a moderate growth rate and can grow up to 6 feet in one season. The flowers are large, measuring up to 6 inches in diameter, and are a bright pink color with darker pink stripes. The leaves are dark green, are divided into leaflets that are ovate or lanceolate in shape. Clematis Dr. Ruppel is a hardy plant that is able to grow in a wide range of climates. It prefers full sun to partial shade and well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. It is important to keep the roots cool and moist, so mulching around the base of the plant is recommended. This plant also benefits from regular pruning, which promotes new growth and helps to maintain its shape. It can be planted with a variety of other plants such as roses, hydrangeas, and other clematis varieties. It is important to choose plants that have similar growing requirements and that will not compete for resources. Planting with a trellis or other support structure will also provide additional vertical interest and help the plant to climb. Clematis Dr. Ruppel is commonly used in garden design to add vertical interest and a pop of color. It is often grown on trellises, fences, or walls to create a stunning visual display. The large, showy flowers make it a popular choice for cut flower arrangements and floral displays. Additionally, this plant is often used as a screening plant due to its ability to grow up to 10 feet tall. It is a versatile and easy to grow plant that is perfect for a beginner gardener or those looking to add some color to their landscape.